Hello everyone. In this Excel video, we are going to understand the VLOOKUP plus running a dynamic VLOOKUP and Xlookup function, and plus how we can remove the error. I will show you what kind of error I am talking about. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see on my screen the some data here. Okay, so serial number, employee name, department, city name, product name, price, sales. Okay, and we have the long data. So I have the set the criteria, the name and cell, and I want to data of the Nancy Ellen only cell. Okay, so her cell I want. So here I use the VLOOKUP equal VLOOKUP lookup value is this comma table area. So simply select the table and the shift control down arrow. So you will get directly select the entire data. Okay, for back control backspace comma column index number. So column index, how many columns is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 7 is a cell, so we type 7 comma we need to exit match, so false, bracket close and hit enter. And now here the question is the why show is this error. Okay, so first is the VLOOKUP function says VLOOKUP start the from the left side, and here you can see the name is the right side, so that's why the answer is not showing. Okay, so if I type the number here, if I here take the number here, so you can see. So for example, I type the 10 here and change the range, so it's possible. Okay, so for example, I show you. Select the VLOOKUP and we take the this serial number comma, again we take the select the shift and down arrow for back control backspace comma 7 comma for exit match and bracket close and hit enter. Again shows the error. Now why? The second error is the most is the we got the data from the chat GPT. Okay, so I just copy and paste the data clean and simply I put it here. So here when I click here, so you can see the space. Here you can see the space. When I here click on the space, and here I type the only 10, so without space. So this is the issue. So here see when I remove the space and you can see the 10, the 140, so you can get the answer 140 here. So in this sheet, before using the any function, how to remove the space, extra space. So for this, select the column, Control Shift plus plus, simply. Okay. Here we use the trim function. So always to check the data, the some kind such kind of the space is should be not here. So we control backspace and hit enter. Okay. So your data is clean, space free. Okay, so here you can see. Now control plus A, control plus C, again the come here and press control shift V. Okay, and the remove the control with minus. remove the extra columns, control minus. Okay, and here you can see the some error, so simply select the and the control, wait, something is going wrong, shift and the control shift and down arrow. Okay, and go up, and here you can see the arrow, simply ignore error. Your data is clean, simply here you can see space free. Now it's clear. Okay, now take the one space column and we take the here the serial number. Okay, we take the 10, and now let's again the use the vlookup function, lookup value, comma, table array, simply select the entire data, control shift down arrow for back, control backspace, comma, 7 is a column number. Okay, comma, and first exact match and hit enter. Now the again the show error because the we are using this number, so simply remove and the copy from here. See, simple, without any issue. Okay, so this is the VLOOKUP, and we understand how to can remove the space with the trim function. Okay, so suppose I type again the name here and I type the Nancy. You can copy if any if not problem. So control plus C and the control plus V, type name, and now the if the we take the name and I want to sell of her, so how can do with this data? So simply here VLOOKUP is not work because the VLOOKUP always the lookup value should be in left side, so it's not possible. Now here we what we can do here, we use VLOOKUP function, sorry, Xlookup function. So here we use Xlookup function. Lookup value simply here. Where is the lookup array? Nancy, where is she? Is here in this column. So simply select the list. For back, control backspace, comma, return array, cell A. So we select the cell column here simply, and back, control backspace, comma. If not found, so again the comma, for exact match 0, bracket close and hit enter, and you got the answer here. So such kind of the data you can use the Xlookup function, is really easy than VLOOKUP. Simple. If I change the name here, for example, I change the name here, the Jane. So here copy and see. So you get the answer is here. Okay. So this is the Xlookup, VLOOKUP, and how to remove the error. Now let's understand the dynamic VLOOKUP, yeah, Xlookup. So for example, if I add the name is here, so I want to 41. First I show you the process, the step by step. Okay. So first is the control plus A, select the data and press control T या L for table. The data we convert into the table. Simple. Okay. Now we our data is converted into the table, and remove the error. First we need to remove this error, so data looks good. Okay, now here the question is, if I add the number here, 41, Charu, Kumar, okay, HR, and city Udaipur, product product 56, okay, and the sale is okay. Now if I type the name here, if I type name here my Charu Kumar, so you get the answer which here. So whenever you add the more entries and you want to find the particular name data, so you get with this way. So this is called the dynamic. Here you can say the running. Running VLOOKUP is same thing. If I remove the serial number here from, because the VLOOKUP doesn't work, so remove the control plus minus. Okay. Now the what we need to do here, we take the here VLOOKUP function, lookup value, comma, table array. So select the table array, shift control and down arrow, backspace, comma, column index is 7, and for exact match, and hit enter. Again the shows error because the something is going wrong. So let's think what is the happening. So copy reference. So reference issue is something. Let's again the type VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, control backspace, comma, 7 column index, and false exact match. So here what is the issue is here, because we take the some uh, filters or something is going wrong. Let's check it out. Okay, so if you not find, so I show you. Actually is the prank. Here you can see the, if you see the error, here the function is here. So lookup values we take table array, and we type the column index number is 7. Okay, so 7 is not work because we have only the 6 column. Okay, so correct this the 6 and enter, so you get the answer. So uh, if you change the name, the jane jo hai, so I change the name here, so you get the answer. See, so little mistake is we happen with us by mistaken. So just check it out the function 2-3 times, you will get the answer. Most of time we are function the type right, but something is the errors is in our data. For example, the extra space, some entry is not correct. Okay, and first I show you VLOOKUP is not work because the VLOOKUP always the start from the left. So this is the small errors in data sheet. So please carefully to check the first data and clean the data, then use the functions, so you will get the answer correctly and you can analyze the data very easier way. So in this video we'll learn how to clean the data with the trim function, remove the space trim function through, how to use the VLOOKUP, how to use the Xlookup function, and how to remove the errors, and the last is the how to make the dynamic या running VLOOKUP या Xlookup function. Okay, so that's about this video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you in next video.